Postbox CS channel and back to Python series. And previous classes we discussed about the dictionaries and how to work with the dictionary, and most of the data structures I have covered with practical session. Today the practical session we are going to see a small topic called variables, that is global variables, local variable and global variables in the Python program. These are the part of the functions. The previous sessions I told about what is function and how do you use the function, what is the purpose of range function, and given some examples also. Let's go for continuation. In the Python programming, tell the variables are divided into global variables and local variables. So here now what is the difference between a local variable and a global variable, and what is what? First, a variable declared inside the function's body or in the local scope is always called as local variable. A global variable is opposite of local variable, where it can be used anywhere in the code. So we can easily understand when I say the program here. For example, I have a code called l.py. Here is the example program. I want to addition of number, so I am defining the function called sum of x comma y. Then sum is called x plus y and return sum. This is a function I am using where I am going to give the print statement sum of 8 comma x6 like that. So this is the where we are going to say x comma y is the local variable. So once you use in the program, you can use only one time in the program where I am going to execute. So simple and easy to print the answer 14 here. Yeah. So successfully executed. So like that you can use the local variable. So simple and easy. Here I am giving x comma sum of x comma y. If you want, you can multiplication of x comma y and change here to print. I am giving the values 8 comma 6. If you want to change the runtime 5 comma 10, whatever you can do it. So like that you can simply use the local variable. So keep in mind that local variable is the one where it declares the function body. We can use in the only one time. But global is the opposite of local variable, where you can use number of times. In the program, you first declare somewhere and use number of time. You can go and see the example for a global variable here. Open, and we need a support of global keyword also. Where in the desktop I have a program called G. So just opening 2 times I have already typed the program coding here. So here in this program I am going to write a Python code. This is code 10. I am writing a function. This is definition a function of, then global is and print of is. Then I am calling the function one by one. It's the main method. A function of and print of is. So here we are declared only one time in the program Python script, where you can call number of times. So define a function. So global is print of is. So what will happen when you try to print this one? So global of z, it will take the value of z and print of z also print like this 10 only. So here a function. So when you call function, automatically the program will read the value 10 and print it. Again print of z. So global z also will take the z value and print it. Let's go for execution here, compilation execution. So they print 2 times the answer 10 and 10. So successfully the program is executed. Like that you can use the global variable. And moreover, you have question now: is it possible to use both local variable and global variable in the same program? Yeah, it's possible. You can do it later. You can step by step. So you can assign some values here. For example, if I give is equal to 8 like that, so it will print first 8, then it will print the 10, because z equal to 8 is assumption. It's a local variable for this function, definition of a function. So like that you can use local variable and global in the same program, Python programming. And it's possible to write a program without local. No, it's no chance. So when you write a small coding or big coding or project, anything, small things you know. Here any program, local variable x equal 10, x equal 20 like that should be supported. So without variable you can't do any program. So these are things part of the function. You should be now about the global variable and local variable in the Python program. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, comment in the Postbox channel.